Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Travefy account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you manually add one contact into your Travefy account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to manually add a contact into your Travefy account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you meet people organically in person, and you want to be sure to add them into your Travefy account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Travefy dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Travefy account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and manually add one contact, you're going to click on the contacts button here on the top right of these 5 options. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all the contacts you have in Travefy. However, to manually add one new contact, you want to click here on new contact. Don't click on import contacts. This is going to be if you're importing a list of contacts. Okay, once you click there, you can go ahead and start adding in information to your contact. So first, what you're going to do right here, it says no contact name. So here on the right, you're going to see this pencil icon. Click on there and you can go ahead and just name this new contact. So it could be Ralph or Joe or whatever the name is. Here you can go ahead and add a description for this contact. So met in Trader Joe's. Okay, and then here we can go ahead and add details. So let's go ahead and add an address, 123 Main Street. Okay, and then let's go ahead and click add again, and we'll add a phone number. So 555-1212. And then here you can go ahead and add different forms or documents into this file. So you can add a PDF, you can add a docx. So if you have some sort of communication with this person, or maybe you sent them sort of quotes, you can go ahead and add those in here. Okay, so this looks pretty good. So let me go ahead and click on contacts. Okay, so now you can see here is our new contact. So we can always come back in here and click on their name and then just start editing the information that we gather on this client. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a new contact manually into your Travefy account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.